Me In by Sam Fender is played in standard tuning without a capo. We start this riff off on the open B string, hammering on to 7 and 9. Then we'll play open high E, 7th fret on the B, back to the high E string open. So the hammer-ons, high E string open, 7, open. I'm going to keep the first finger where it is on the 7th fret of the B string and add the second finger on the 8th fret of the G string. I'm going to pick G, B, E, B. It's like a skip in there, in the rhythm I mean. And we'll play that twice. We'll move the shape down 2 frets to 5 on the B and 6 on the G. Same thing. Okay, so the 8 and 7. 6 and 5. Okay, so with the hammer-ons to start, 8 and 7, twice, 6 and 5. One more time slowly. We're then going to come down to the G string at the 2nd fret, and play that, and then play the open B. Hammering on to open, catch the high E string open, and then back to the open B string. And this will be played 3 times. Okay. To finish off, we have the 7-9 on the B again. High E string, 7 on the B, back to the open. So the kind of first riff to finish off there. And then we just loop from there. So nice and slowly. More up to speed. And that riff is played on repeat throughout the entire song, except for a little section in the middle of the song where the guitar drops out completely and then comes back in with the same riff.